Gosh, that sound is really horrible, but of course I have to admit it. It's none other than me जो स्नोरिंग किए जा रहा है. And इसलिए this vlog is going to be about snoring. So welcome back. And snoring का of course there can be many reasons. बहुत सारा reasons है. But mostly at a certain age, after you reach age, आपका जैसे muscles जो है when it starts to जब leg करने जा जाता है उसमें laxity आ जाता है, then of course due to the passageway of the air उसमें snoring होता है. And बहुत बार this is because of the consumption of the alcohol. तब भी अपना throat का muscles जो है it relaxes. And overweight, बहुत सारा issues है इसमें. But basic what we will not go into it क्या reasons है, but how to prevent that और कैसा रोक पाएगा कि नहीं, and whether without any surgical method. And I'm sure आपका घर में भी there is somebody who snores. तो please watch this video so that we can learn कि स्नोरिंग को कैसे हम लोग प्रिवेंट कर सकता है. एंड फर्स्ट फॉर मी मेरा साइनस का प्रॉब्लम है. एंड रिसेंटली मेरा फेरिंगिटिस होने का बाद में से माई स्नोरिंग हैज़ gone from bad to worse. It is so bad now कि my kids cannot sleep. My wife, she has been complaining, and at times I have to go to the couch or the sofa to sleep. And इसका वजह से there's always a pressure कि नहीं I have to wait till they sleep, or before sleeping also I'm under immense pressure कि yes I shouldn't be snoring करके. It affects a lot. So basically because of that I have ordered some products from internet, some from Amazon and some. तो ये products है. These are the products. Basically this is firstly this is ये है this is a mouthpiece. एंड दूसरा है ये बेल्ट है. इसमें जो है आपका ये माउथ को सट रखेगा, ऐसा यहाँ से एक बेल्ट बन के ये टाइट रखेगा. देन अनदर और 2 टाइप का वो नोज स्ट्रिप्स मंगाया है. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ इट जिसका वजह से इफ़ यू वेयर दिस तो आपका पैसेज खुलेगा एंड देन आपका स्नोरिंग कम होगा. सो आई डोंट नो वेदर दिस विल वर्क और नॉट. तो आप भी बने रहिए. आई विल बी फिल्मिंग माई सेल्फ ओनली आफ्टर वेयरिंग दिस थिंग्स कि whether it helps or not. Please be there and let's try to help each other that reduce the snoring so that everybody of us can have a good and sound sleep. So for the first test we will be using this जो snore का जो anti snoring device है. We will use this. इसको you have already seen. When you take it out it looks like this. And then इसका जो है upper jaw and lower jaw का थोड़ा फर्क है. But when you put this in your mouth and उसके बाद में आप jaw से ही you have to slide this lower part को उसको थोड़ा slide करना पड़ता है आगे, and so that the jaws are fixed and there is a proper passage of air. जैसा for example ऐसा है. Let's see. So I will be wearing this and let's see whether it works or not. So while wearing the mouthpiece, I have noticed कि अगर आप sideways सो रहा है, then there is no snoring. But when I turned and then I was sleeping on my back, so snoring होता है हल्का सा, but it's not very disturbing. Okay level का sound होता है snoring जो है. So for tonight we'll be using this. तो इसको जो है I think this is chin to wear it like this and साथ ही साथ इधर पीछे में and then we'll see whether this works or not. अजीब तो लग रहा, पहन के अजीब लग रहा. And today is the third night, so आज I'll be using this nose strip. इसको नाक में यहाँ I'll be applying. Like this. So chalo, let's go and see whether this works or not. So you have seen it all, and I know I sound like horrible when I'm sleeping. All those snoring, thank you for going through it. Now I used 3 of these, and then we have also seen the results as well. So firstly, when I use this, it works well as long as I'm sleeping sideways. And then trick भी वही है, if you sleep sideways तो आपके snoring थोड़ा कम होता है, and then if you sleep on your back आपके snoring थोड़ा ज़्यादा होगा. So this works well as long as I'm sleeping sideways. And back में सोने से भी, of course, it's not as loud as I am usually. One thing that bothers here is that आप ज़्यादा देर पहनने से it hurts. Maybe आपको थोड़ा used to होना पड़ेगा. But using this for a couple of nights, I felt like थोड़ा जो में थोड़ा problem हो रहा है वैसे लगा. I felt this. I don't know what will be the long term use. इसका results कैसे रहेगा. This, of course, this also was good, but थोड़ा choke हो रहा है जैसे लगा 1-2 बार. And one difficult part was मतलब ये जो है माथा से slip होके निकल जाता है. That is one issue. And as for this, I think for me this didn't work. Basically more or less useless ही है for me. मतलब nasal strips both type का आता है. This is one, and then एक magnetic वाला भी होता है that I have ordered, but I'm yet to receive that. So this is it, and it's up to you कि आपको कौन सा ठीक लगा है to use it. And if it doesn't work at all, so I think one will have to go for surgical remedies as well. And I think I will have to also look out for that. My snoring is really bad. But anyways, thanks for watching. Sleep well, snore less.